A warm welcome to everyone to this fifth conference here at the Magnet.
I've been coming along since it began, actually.
As an organisation, we account for 28% of the manufacturing business for Autodesk in the UK.
What we've done is we've created design suites which understand the discipline in which you work as an engineer or an architect or a plant engineer, and they group the tools that are necessary to stimulate or provide the workflow that you need in that specific industry environment.
The software is a vehicle for us to help you improve your processes, so what's even more important is the services around that.
When I was looking at buying Inventor, I chose Symetri because they seemed to be the one reseller who was engaged, actually interested in what I wanted, and not only what I wanted, but what my team wanted.
I'd like to thank the guys from Symetri this morning for giving me the opportunity to be here today, because this is one of the most important parts of my job, is to spend time with you as customers.
It's learning about the new software, what's coming in the new packages, that is very useful.
This sort of event really does sort of enhance just really what the product can do.
There's lots of people here from Symetri and Autodesk. You can ask questions at any time.
Nice now to have a look at a bit more depth. What is Alias? What is 3D Max? What is Sketchbook?
Gone are the days when the high-end systems were there for the top 5% of your organisation. What Autodesk is all about is making that technology available to everyone in your organisation. These are tools that enable you to take that innovation, bring it to the market and realise it in its highest capacity.
It seems to be getting better each time I come.
But we've got cameras, camera position, camera movement.
Audiences and critics are raving about Mr. McCluskey's method, the new film from acclaimed director Autodesk.
It was great to have someone who came in and wasn't just a salesperson, said this is a product, this is what the product could do, but actually took a bit of time to understand what we wanted from the solutions, and to tell us realistically what was possible and what wasn't possible.
Who ever designed their dreams in 2 dimensions?
They'll show you what's good and great in the latest release of Inventor, which is part of the design suites.
We're the only software application on the market that allows you to put interactive 3D assembly instructions directly onto a mobile device. You know, once you've interacted with it, once you've consumed documentation this way, you won't want to consume it in any other way.
Welcome to the digital age, boys. Visually communicate your ideas in 3 dimensions. Share them with friends. Take your designs with you wherever you go. It is time to stop acting like Neanderthals or public school kids with a single Stone Age tool.
Just really looking at the bigger picture, taking a step back from what we're doing on a work day-to-day basis, seeing how we can implement the technology best into what we're doing, and ultimately to save time and money for the business that we're in.
We believe with the 2012 portfolio that we've delivered what we feel is best-in-class technology.
We can then maybe do a walkthrough. What does the factory look like? Where do I get access? So you can again have a look at it even before it's been built. You know, it's still a greenfield site out there, and you can be wandering around and having a look and what do those changes mean? What are the implications of that?
And I'd like to thank John and all the rest of the team for inviting me here today to talk about sustainable design. The Triple Bottom Line sort of deals with economic, environmental and social issues with sustainable design in the middle.
It's easy to use software for non-engineers, so you don't have to understand constraints and relationships to be able to create the views you need, the angles you need, explode a product or an assembly, and create the visuals that you need to bring your documentation to life.
What Autodesk certification is, it's a variety of different exams. There's 3 levels. As it says on there, the exams that you can use are AutoCAD, Inventor, Revit, 3ds Max, Maya and Civil 3D. As the tagline there from Autodesk is, it is the power to be remarkable.
That's really what we're trying to do, is help our customers create really compelling documentation so your customers have good experiences with your product.
I see the investment we've made with Autodesk as equally as important as any machine that we might buy, because it's going to help us work a lot more efficiently, as a new machine you would hope would do so also.